to him because that's gonna be long. It's gonna be like, hey, okay, what?
Thank you. This is another video. Is this from who? From you? No, baby. Thank you.
It's gotta be open now.
Cake.
Yeah.
This combination. Go fucking hick. Give me a birthday present? Why that?
You thought?
We'll give him the history behind it and all that.
Okay, we'll give him the history after. We'll go for...
Guys, open the card first, or can I just open this?
The card's for personal use.
You open the card whenever.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Holy shut the fuck up. What do you do to me? Really? Really? Oh! Oh, shut up. Yeah, son. Oh, and bam. Bam! Yo, wicked. This is from you? Oh, look at... Oh, thank you, baby. Holy crap, you bought me a watch.
Yeah?
Fucking sick.
Scarcat colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I was just saying.
Yo, I'm gonna have to live in this shit, yo, because I can't get a fucking place. I got a new pillow and everything. Yo, it's proper, dog. It's a little chunky too. I like that.
It's a sick watch, yo. Looks good. Good taste.
You got something to do with this. For sure, you should.
We'll talk about that in drinks.
Well, yeah. Discuss over drinks. Done?